Well, now we're doing section 8.6 and question 3, and we have to use Simpsons' rule to evaluate this. In fact, we have 3 parts to this. And so let's use Simpsons' rule to evaluate. And by the way, delta x in this case, we have 4 subintervals, so from -1 to 1, so delta x will be 1/2, and delta x over 3 will equal 1/2 divided by 3 is 1/6. So now, for S, Simpsons for 4 subintervals is going to equal 1/6 times, and here's our y values, and the first y value is 2, then plus 4 times the second y value, so that's 4 times 5/4, plus 2 times the third y value, which is 1, plus 4 times the fourth y value, which is 5/4, plus the fifth y value, which is 2. And here the 4's divide out and the 4's divide out. So we get 1/6 times, and 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, and 5 plus 5 is 10, so 6 and 10 is 16. And when we simplify that, 2 goes into 16 8 times, and 2 goes into 6 3 times, and we get 8/3. Now, we have to find the error for this. And you know, m is the upper bound relative to the fourth derivative on the interval. So let's see about m. The function is f of x equals x squared plus 1, so the first derivative is 2x, the second derivative, 2x, is 2. The third and fourth derivatives are both 0, so I'll just say f, the fourth derivative of x, equals 0. This implies then that m equals 0. So the error is 0. So consequently, the percentage of accuracy, for the integral's true value is 100%. And that was, oh yes, let's go a little farther with this. Let's integrate directly. So -1 to 1 of x squared plus 1 dx equals, since this is an even function, we can just evaluate from 0 to 1 of, and double that, x squared plus 1 dx, which equals 2 times x cubed over 3 plus x from 0 to 1, which equals 2 times 1/3 plus 1 minus 0. So anyhow, that equals 1 is the same as 3/3 plus 1 is 4/3, 2 times 4/3, which equals 8/3. So notice we have the same value as we did with Simpsons, because S sub 4 equaled 8/3, and to find the percentage of the integral's true value, we'll simply divide 8/3 by 8/3 times 100%. And notice that's just another way to write 1, so 1 times 100% is 100%. And now we are really done.